Today, we're talking about one of the most expressive and often misunderstood parts of English, past modals. By the end of this lesson, you will not only understand them, you will be able to use them with confidence. So first things first, what is a past modal? It's a modal we use to talk about the past. As the name suggests, past modals express possibilities, regrets, assumptions, and missed opportunities about the past. They are incredibly useful for describing situations that didn't actually happen or that might have happened differently. We also use them to speculate or make deductions about the past. The formula is modal verb plus have plus the past participle. For example, I should have studied harder for the exam. Regrets. She might have missed her train. Possibility. He must have left early. Assumption. Let's look at what each separate modal means. Could have. We use could have to express possibility or abilities in the past that weren't realised. For example, I could have gone to the party, but I decided to stay home. There was the possibility, the option of my going to the party, but I decided against it. I could have gone, I stayed home instead. Should have. We use should have to express regret about the past or to give advice about past actions. I should have applied for that job. You should have called me earlier. You should have told me you were going. We use would have to express something that would have happened if circumstances had been different. It is bound up together with the conditional, in particular the third or the mixed conditional. I would have helped you if I had known. For a complete breakdown of all the conditionals, make sure you look at this video where I go over all of the conditionals. Might have or may have. These express uncertainty or possibility in the past. He might have missed the train. I'm not sure, but it's possible that he did. They may have gone home already. Again, I'm not sure, but it's a possibility. Both are quite polite and a little speculative. Perfect for British English. And we use must have for strong conclusions or assumptions about the past. It's often used when you're almost certain that something has happened because of strong evidence or logic. For example, it must have rained overnight. The roads are wet, the grass is wet, there is evidence for it, so it must have rained overnight. It's an assumption about the past. She called the locksmith. She must have forgotten her keys again. Common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is using the wrong verb form. You might hear even native speakers say, I should have went. No, wrong. I should have gone or I should have been. Also, don't confuse past modals with present modals. You should help, present. You should have helped, past. I needed help in the past, but you didn't help me. You should have. Always use have after past modals, never has. And be careful when writing it that you write could have. Another common error with native speakers is to write could of or should of. This is because when we contract a past modal, could have becomes could have with apostrophe VE. Obviously, that sounds a bit like could of. So many people write could of or should of. It is incorrect. If you see it, ignore it. It is always could have or should have or apostrophe VE. Now it is time to test what you have learned. Are you ready for the quiz? I will give you 4 sentences, pause if you need to, and fill in the blank with the correct past modal. Should we go over the answers? I forgot my umbrella and I got soaked. I should have taken it. I'm not sure where they are. They might have gone shopping. Don't be annoyed. You could have told me you needed help. They're not here anymore. They must have left already. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. and subscribe for more clear, friendly English lessons posted every week. And next time someone says, you should have learned this sooner, you can say, I already did. Bye.